Hi viewers, my name is Ridhima and today I'm here to eliminate your career risk. Every year, thousands of finance, commerce and business management graduates pass out of colleges with potential, promise and passion. And every year these unique individuals forget all about their uniqueness and simply go for an MBA or a CA or another similar program. I hope after watching this video, you will not repeat these mistakes and chart your own path in finance. Before we proceed, ensure you're subscribed to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, save it for your future reference, and embrace this journey towards lifelong learning. Now, being from the finance industry, I would like to bring your attention to investment banking. The tide has changed in the last 10 years since Imarticus Learning came up with a Certified Investment Banking Operations Professional Program, which is an industry-recognized certification featuring live training module and experiential learning. The fact that this program bridges the skill gap actually equips the learners with job-specific skills such as financial markets, trade life cycles, risk management, OTT settlements, and more. Companies are looking for these skills, and that is the reason this program has completed 1,200 plus batches and upskilled 50,000 plus learners. But that's not all. The program has also resulted in 40,000 plus placements at a placement rate of 85%. The program comes with flexibility to choose between weekday and weekend batches to fit into your busy schedule. The program has also been extremely rewarding for its learners since fresh graduates have been able to bag salaries of up to 5 lakhs per annum, which is 2 times of what fresh graduates are usually offered. And working professionals have secured salary hike up to 60% after completing this program. At this point, you must be curious to know what kind of roles can you expect in which companies. Well, the alumni of this program are employed in in-demand roles like Bank Operation Analyst, Trade Operations Officer, Wealth Management Associate, IB Operations Consultant, Investment Banking Associate, Risk Management Consultant, and Money Market Analyst in top organizations like Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, Deloitte, Capgemini, and many more. This kind of unbelievable success, especially after a 3-month program, has been made possible by the fact that this program comes with 100% job assurance. That's why it is highly recommended to enter the high opportunity and low competition investment banking industry through the Certified Investment Banking Operations Professional Program. This recommendation is none other than by Imarticus Learning's learners who have themselves benefited from this program.
Hi, my name is Devika Bare. I was born and brought up in Mumbai, and I finished my schooling from St. Joseph's Convent. I am from a non-financial background. I come from a background of mass media from St. Xavier's College, and I am a CBOB 60 batch, and I'm placed in Goldman Sachs. The trainers here are amazing. Coming from a non-financial background, I had a lot of inhibitions and a lot of questions about the finance field, and I didn't know that I would understand if I would understand the topics covered or not. But overall, the journey was very eye-opening. I realized a lot of my unrealized potential. I learned who am I as a person. So it is a personal growth as well as a professional growth. Whichever background you come from, it doesn't matter. As long as you have an interest and a passion for what you want to do.
I'm Omkar Wagmare. I have done my graduation in Economics and Political Science from Ram Narayan Ruya College, Mumbai. Then I completed my Masters in Political Science from Mumbai University. Currently, I have done my course of CBOB, that is Certified Investment Banking Operations from Imarticus. Yes, absolutely. This course is very good course. Everyone looking to start their career in investment bank, be a finance background or non-finance background, I would recommend this course for everyone.
Hi, my name is Prithvi Jaggi. I am currently an auditor. I have completed my post-graduations in Advanced Accountancy from KJ Somaya College of Arts and Commerce. I have a working experience of more than 3 years, and I am currently working with Borkar and Muzumdar Chartered Accountants and handling the field of bank audits. My experience with Imarticus is quite enriching. I have gained knowledge both in practical as well as theoretical knowledge, and I am looking forward to get placed in IB.
So check out the link in the description to know more. Enroll now.